Connecting an iPad to a MacBook unlocks powerful new workflows. There are 3 primary ways to establish this connection. You can use Sidecar to turn your iPad into a second display. You can use universal control to command both devices with a single mouse and keyboard. Or you can use a physical USB cable for reliable data transfer and charging. Let's explore Sidecar first. Sidecar essentially mirrors or extends your MacBook screen. This is incredibly useful for creative work or multitasking. To use it, your MacBook needs macOS Catalina or a later version. Your iPad must have iPadOS 13 or newer. Both devices must be signed into the same Apple ID with two-factor authentication enabled. They also need Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and handoff turned on. To activate Sidecar wirelessly, ensure the devices are near each other. Go to System Settings on your Mac, then click on Displays. In the drop-down menu, simply select your iPad. Your MacBook screen will instantly extend. You can drag windows over to the iPad just like a regular monitor. It also supports the Apple Pencil, allowing you to use your iPad as a precise drawing tablet for Mac apps. Next is Universal Control, which is different from Sidecar. It doesn't extend your display. Instead, it lets you use your MacBook's keyboard and trackpad to control your iPad. This requires macOS Monterey or newer and iPadOS 15 or newer. The setup requirements are similar to Sidecar. You need the same Apple ID, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and handoff enabled. To set it up, go to System Settings, then Displays, and click the Advanced button. Make sure Allow your pointer and keyboard to move between any nearby Mac or iPad is turned on. Once enabled, just move your cursor to the edge of your MacBook screen toward your iPad. The cursor will seamlessly jump over to the iPad screen. You can type on your iPad with the Mac keyboard and even drag and drop files between the two devices. Finally, there is the simple and reliable wired connection. Using a USB-C or Lightning cable provides the most stable link. This is the best option if your Wi-Fi is slow or you want to eliminate any lag while using Sidecar. When you plug your iPad into your MacBook, it will also begin to charge. You may see a prompt on your iPad asking if you trust this computer. Tap Trust. Your iPad will then appear in the Finder sidebar on your Mac. You can click on it to manually sync music, transfer photos, or back up your files. This physical connection is the foundation for many professional workflows and ensures your devices are always ready to go. Choosing the right method depends on your task. Sidecar is for more screen real estate. Universal Control is for a unified control experience. A cable is for ultimate stability and file management. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more helpful tech tips.